In this video, I want to give you guys a tip of how to protect your machine the correct way. We are going to be using scissors. This that I really don't know how the name it is, the cord sleeve, and the needles, right? This needle here I used for practicing, that's why it's so dirty already. But let's pretend it's a new needle, okay? So I'm gonna get the cord sleeve where it has the opening, and we're gonna put our machine inside, and we're gonna just pull the whole thing. Now, sorry, I didn't know that wasn't being able to show you guys. Okay, now it's better, right? Okay, so here you see it's covered. I like to take a little bit of this. You can, press tightly over here and go with this around. Normally I like to cut already. Some and just roll after. Some people break this with their hands. For some reason I can never do that. So I still use the scissors. Anyway, then you're gonna get your needle. You're gonna make a little hole here. Look, very little. And now you're gonna put your machine. Your needle, right? And you're gonna close to flip it. That's it. So see, it's sealing everything here. So it's not gonna have any contamination. And that's it. That's the most simple way I think you can do to protect your machine.